from the innovation. Now it's mine for the taking. Tell the people mistaking me for somebody to toy with, to plug the ox to play me. Time was paralyzed, I felt the strain to stretch my lungs. Confidence depleted right along with all the funds. Those days it was less about the bread that we obtained. No other way to slice it, I was scraping by on crumbs. But I loved the feeling the odds against me. Couldn't tell me that I wouldn't get it, I wanted plenty. I was quick to defend me. Feeling surrounded by angels, demons on rare occasion. Trying to shake the momentum, soon as I find the cadence. Leave it all on the record, if it's my only reference. Shocked how the bar's been electric, you could tell that they felt it. Pushing the weight of the world while they sound all the frail shit. Forcing the fame in my favor, kick back and watch the scale tip. More than just all in a day. Spend time with the struggle, I know it too well. We going separate ways. See, my biggest fear is the change. If I lose it, then reunite. Will I break the promise to stay the same?
Lie to me, tell me that you'll be there for me. Cause things been feeling crazy lately. Feeling so crazy. And I don't wanna seem lonely. I don't wanna seem lonely. But I don't wanna be lonely, lonely.
Middle 2010s, stuck in a place secluded deep in my mind. I'm looking out through the lens. Was in a rush to become who I am. Looking back, then I realized that I do it again. All these unfamiliar faces fade from existence. Back with impeccable time and I've been forgiven. But I'm never forgetful, I kept it solid and simple. Stuck to the real, my word been a bind. Yours artificial, you frequent with the slipper. Used to love this shit more like this was all that I needed. Travel the edge of the world and mix the pleasure with business. Took my time on it, won't benefit from overdue revision. Learned through they lackluster love is rooted deep in the evil. Won't tread water lightly, the waves intimidate them. Won't lend my hand much too often, I set the expectation. Now I navigated dolo, unclear on praises you gave. When there's the finest line between jealousy signs and your vibration. This one's for them calling me crazy, more for the ones that told them pay me no mind. Those were the words that shaped me. Well rounded it would appear that I pieced it all together. Standing here puzzled at the way we built up the foundation. This one's for the brodies, I got us. Get 50-50, keep it some of 100. Make do what life has got us. Let go of wait and put faith in the process. Make the most of it. I'll be God as the time we allotted. Call it how I see it, provide our witness statement. The way things been gone, I'm all in on the table. They made the plan for their night, I made the long-term arrangement to take it up to a peak that we no longer afraid of. I just wanna be your everything. Cause that's who you are to me.
Lie to me, tell me that you'll be there for me. Cause things been feeling crazy lately. Feeling so crazy. And I don't wanna seem lonely, lonely, lonely. But I don't wanna be lonely, no, no.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, or in my bag, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, or in my bag, yeah. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, or in my bag, yeah. Yasha, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the cheese, put the lights up. 'Tis the season. Need no French toast, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this. Y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, "Say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah?" I got a racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, "Say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah?" I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, "Say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah?" I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, "Say Nick, what you got up in that bag?" I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Merry Christmas, everybody.
What's going on YouTube? How's everyone doing? Okay, so let's take a look at the daily here. Daily we are still bullish overall. We got this daily resistance here. We got this support. Support here. This support there. And we've got this support here. Let's take a look at it for an hour. Alright, 4 hour, got this demand here. Been a rocky week so far, but we still got a long way to go. So we've got this resistance here. I'm muted? No, I'm not muted. You guys should be able to hear me on Zoom. Can you guys hear me on Zoom? Alright, cool. So we got a support there for an hour. Take a look at the 1 hour time frame here. So 1 hour time frame, we've got this resistance here. Oh, we can even go with the supply. Reacting to that supply now. Let's take a look at a 30-minute here. This 30-minute demand here. Alright, so possible, all the possible sales here, guys. And we're looking at 2503.14. Pretty much for 40 pips. Okay.
I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side, but I'm from the east side. This how we slide, this how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead, make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Ballin', from the first whistle we go all in. And one, numbers up and never falling. Feel like I hit the lottery, I'm proud of me, yeah. No babe proud of me, so I throw pride away. She know I stuck to the plan and I stayed out the way. Now we're spending no money, never touching the bank. Just from me the game and I'ma get it done. Don't do it for fame, do it for the ones. Ace with cigar, my damage my lungs. Wifey want to drive, she get what she want. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side, but I'm from the east side. This how we slide.
Who's doing that?
This how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead, make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Ballin', from the first whistle we go all in. And one, numbers up and never falling. My baby called me and said she need to stay. Before wait, 25 they all the type of kid. Stop playing with me, you know that you here to stay. Stop playing with me, I'll be back home in 8. Know I'm on the go, but I'm not over you. Maybe far from home, but I'm so close to you. Gotta get that back like I'm supposed to do. Had to rush, hurry up.
If he breaks and close above 25.08, then we'll look for buys.
Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side, but I'm from the east side. This how we slide, this how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
I'm trying to touch the states this time.
Order filled.
Everybody in.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. First it was the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the back like here I go again. Outside says chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma make, keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8-day wake up and I thank God. Bad decision got you wishing you could say nah. My city gritty, you could get hit any day now. On my mama, I'ma move my family way out. With some 20s, 50s, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, zillions. I'm talking Amazon money, talking so much money I could mess around and buy Amazon. I been winning, I'm like, why me? I heard these labels wanna buy me. I don't need you, boo, I style me. I roll G's and they grind me. Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same. Who am I to blame? Money made me change. Cardi in my ring when I'm switching lanes. money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Now I got a buck for all those rainy days. Ain't have a day off in like 80 days. I got hustles in like 80 ways. Kids if you won't take a lazy day. Wifey on me told me take a break. I keep going to the paper straight. Then it's trips out to Montego Bay. If I take the job, bet I get it done. I said it before, I'm a one-on-one. I just caught some ones, only wearing ones. Fornicate the funds, money made me calm. Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want that chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
Sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, I ain't been right more than I've been wrong, and it still can't hurt me. No, it just can't hurt me. No. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, no, no. I know it's hard to be polite, and it's easy being petty. My mama used to tell me, gotta use you when he ready. Man, it's crazy how my brother said it could have been my cell. It's either prison or a grave, that's what everybody tell me. Man, life ain't a beach, it's a female dog. I'm staying 10 toes down, though I still might fall. Oh yeah, now I done came through, knocking pictures off your wall. Cause loving people who persecute you, it's still a tough be a light up on my path and a lamp under my feet. I know my faith strong, but my flesh still kinda weak. When that victory be looking like the verge of defeat, and I feel like disrespect, help me turn my other cheek and say sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, I ain't been right more than I've been wrong, and it still can't hurt me. No, it just can't hurt me. No. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, no, no. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No. See, it's hard to be polite. It's easy being petty. Mama used to tell me, gotta use you when you're ready. Cause I ain't working on my own timing. Ain't got no diamonds on me, but I stay shining. Yeah, yeah. They say the world would be a better place if we take out the hate.
Stop all the hate right now.
Yeah, let's keep it real. It'd be better if we just subtract the fake. Yeah, so be a light up on my path and a lamp under my feet. I know my faith strong, but my flesh still kinda weak. When that victory be looking like the verge of defeat, and I feel like disrespect, help me turn my other cheek and say sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, I ain't been right more than I've been wrong, and it still can't hurt me. No, it just can't hurt me. No. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, no, no.
You stare into my eyes and it makes you wonder, is she the one I'll take home? I stare right back at yours and it makes me wonder, why is he here all alone? I love going out to where the music's too loud and where the people surround me. Yeah, here's my best advice, just let me stay in this vibe and never think that you owe me. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby.
Oh, morning, morning.
I'm like
chain and a new chinchilla. And you aim for the heart when you walk on the floor, you a rude gal, Batman killer. But you ain't never did with the boys in the band, with the bands and the bops like Dilla. Love it when you heal up, will up, bring it back, come rewind. Touch to have your ex-man back on your line. But I'm a real player, never act like you're mine. Leave you disappointed, you gon' act like you're fine. And I see it all the time, so it's best I let my one dance go to the next man. Cause I ain't even gotta be your man, bitch, I can still leave here as the best man, yes ma'am.
Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby, I might be up for a dance, I might be holding your hand, but that is all I can stand. I'm not your baby, no, you're not gonna get what you came here for. I'm leaving as soon as you ask for more. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby.
Order filled.
I'm in line with the stars, I'm in sync with the earth. 10 toes deep, flower child from the turf. I never switch sides, like even when I die, I'ma ride for the squad, ladder ties in the hearse. I've been on a vibe, kinda hard to describe. I'm in between, I'm good and it's fine, but I'm tired of the grind. Then I come alive in the night to realize I'm in the middle of the time of my life. I never so packed for the stack, never lied on the rap. Got a bag from the way that I write it. Queen looking Tyson, through that I survived, doing 80 to the house. Then I hit her to the sky, changed haters on a tirade. Talking to their crib in the face, be still, let that hate stuff fade. We all want the same, we all want a meal in the safe. I wanna live like I'm trying to reach enlightenment. Trail spill from my lips, feel bent from the bip. Take a sip till I pass out. I'm trying to get grit, but it don't make sense. Cause you can lose life on this fast route.
Order filled.
Turn thoughts to a cash cow. I might flip that to the glass house. I don't need the accolades, I'm in love with the chase. I just wanna eat, save a spot at the table. Beast with the slap, pin myself on the map. You long with the wind, but we knowing that it's capped. 5-hour flights, couple nights at the flat. To be real, couldn't see me making moves while I'm at. I'm still on the grind, limit time when I chat. I'm burning down sage, keep the demons away. When I write to give a piece of myself to the page. I don't do it for the praise, love, that's just how I'm made.
From the glass in the mirror,
Yeah.
throw it at me, old man,
stacking now. I just closed the trade and got in again. I used the wrong contract size. Mm. You be kidding me, God. What the hell? Oh. Straight to freaking engulfing candle. Full margin sales? Nah, I ain't go full margin. Can I explain this position? So the reason why I took the sells is because if we take a look at the 1 hour here, we found resistance here at the 1 hour, and we still pretty much have a bearish structure on the 1 hour, also 30-minute, 15-minute. We still have a bearish structure, overall bullish structure on the 4 hour and the daily, weekly. All right, so we created this resistance, last supply here on the 1 hour time frame. Then we go down to the 15-minute here. So since we created this high and we still have a bearish structure, we created a low, high, low, then price go back to the previous supply. We rejected, came down, we tested again, rejected, and we took it below this minor support, anticipating price to continue to the downside to create new lows pretty much below 25.01. So that was the idea behind the sales. So we'll see what happens here. So pretty much bearish structure, previous bearish momentum as well. So we'll see if we continue dropping here this session. All we needed for the previous bullish momentum, since we created this support pretty much around 25.01, was for this support to break this high, pretty much Asian session high. Now since we pretty much we rejected here, started breaking below the minor support, we took the sell. We're anticipating that this resistance is failing to break for price to continue to the downside. So we'll see how it goes. Asian session, we took a loss. Was anticipating the bullish continuation. We ended up taking a loss. The buys eventually paid out, and now rejecting the supply that we created during Asian session. So we'll see if it's going to hold. The way this previous candle closed, I was expecting it to continue to the downside. We'll see. Ooh. The 30-minute candle opens in 30 seconds against 20 seconds. I sound tired. Yeah, I couldn't take a nap after Asian session, so I stayed up.
Lost some friends to the same thing. Keep a low pro when we maintain. Find us in a loss somewhere, kicking back. Find you on computers, type of Twitter facts. You lose a follow, throw a Twitter at. I
I lose $1, but I get it back like a boomerang. My girl likes diamonds, big one shining on her ring ring. I got 3 daughters, you could bet that they gon' get the same. But they got morals, I'll be damned if they sell it for change. They won't sell out a thing. I lose it all, you bet I get it back by any means. I trust in God won't be $1 that can make me change. I got that power, I could get anything. I got that power, I could get anything.
Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. Been through the struggle, I can see another drought.
I'm gonna have to take this freaking ads off. Ain't too much of it. I know, right, Edwin? I can't always see freaking blues for what, a minute or so. And it wasn't even a lot because of these spreads. And gold. OD.
I got a itch in my palm. My girl, she know she the one. I put the ice on her hand. I put some ice on her arm. See me shining in the light. Know you found me in the dark. Talking how you wanna leave. Girl, you made this far.
What time did you take this trade?
Won't be long. We came up
A little bit after 2 o'clock.
all these big gets on her wrist. VVS is on her neck. Make it spinning, I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back, down broke, now we rich. Spin it on her, let it spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. Live for my first cake, then we hit on a cake. $500,000 on the way, then $1 million on the way. Eating good full plates, eating good, say grace.
It's like Gideon is not on YouTube today. Yes, they can. We took a sell.
My girl, whoa, came from the rags to rich. Hit the road running, I had to tell her I had to get it. She understood, but she spoiled, so when she get mad, she dip. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spinning, I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back, down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let it spin. Down with me to the end. That
he wants to fall, he can still fall and break this minor support. Good morning, Danny.
No fui el primero, ni seré el último, pero sé que lo gozaré. Para serte sincero, un Dios el que
This current candle has no bottom wick on futures. That doesn't mean anything though. Take it back at 2503. Oh, right here. Yeah, I was not expecting to take buys in this range. I need to take buys down at this demand or after we break the highs. So since we rejected this supply again, pretty much a resistance, I saw it coming down before going back up. And then my analysis could be wrong, so we'll find out.
we go forever now. We go forever and ever. You know that I'm much sadder. You wish that you can do better. No, no, won't let her. We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You wish that you can do better. You wish that you can do better. I know that I can do better. I'm so in love with the cheddar. I'm so in love with my little boo. It was written like a letter. Think I was born with the juice. Think I was born with the sauce. Think I was born to look great. Then I turned out to a boss.
I think not looking good. All right. Oh,
Order filled.
wow. Yeah, I killed a bit. We took the sales. Okay.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
All right. Officially in a losing streak. That's 3 losses. Okay. And then down. All right. That's it for me. We took a Los Angeles session yesterday, Asian session, and then London. So I'm done until New York. YouTube, that's it for me. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. We'll see what New York session holds. And if you're still looking for a setup, if gold breaks above this high, then you can start looking for your buys. If it does not, then I don't know, you might want to wait for a BOS at that point. But if it closes above, look for buys, and that should work out. Even if this even if this resistance of the supply holds, just wait for a demand setup and it's going to go back up, because if we are going to fall, there's no reason for it to break this high. So even if it gets up there, it goes up, comes back, just look to take the buys if it break and close above this resistance. All right, that's for me. That's it for me, guys. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. I'm out of here. All right, Zoom. I will see you guys during that one session. If you were here doing Asian, man, I wouldn't suggest taking another position. Just hold up and go New York session. Alright, pretty much same day, so let's wait for it. And if this thing falls, that's gonna be unfortunate. So you guys ain't doing that one.
What you get is what you see. Why? New fit, that's neat. Yeah, for the green like a leaf, for the green like a reef. Don't trip, don't reach. Get rich, don't speak. Yeah, love when the silly go ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cup my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheep. I get to it up in my sleep. I know